Hello guys, I'm Swetasene and I'm from class 2Razzi, and today we are going to interview my two cousins. Okay guys, let's get to the video. Wait guys, before that you need to hit that like button. Okay, let's go.
Hi guys, my name is Vanilla. I am 20 years old. My weight is 40 kg. My height is 147. Balanced diet is a diet that contains different kinds of foods in certain quantities and proportions so that the requirement for calories, proteins, minerals, vitamins and alternative nutrients is adequate and a small proportion is reserved for additional nutrient to ensure the short length of leanness. My daily diet is I eat bread with 1 glass of milk. In afternoon, I eat rice with 2 types of vegetables and fish. In evening, I will drink 1 cup of tea. In night, I eat 2 chapati with curry. Before bedtime, I will drink 1 glass of milk. Every day, every morning, I do exercise such as yoga. Then I drink 1 glass of hot water to maintain my health. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Lavanya and I'm 28 years old. I'm 154 centimeter height and 68 kilogram weight. And today I'm going to say a little bit of things about the balanced diet. What is balanced diet? A balanced diet should consist from the pyramid scheme where we use for the intake of the food sources. For example, it includes of the carbohydrate, protein, vegetable, fruits, and other fibers that we got from the food. A balanced diet should consist of all kind of the resources of food where it will help to maintain a good health. For example, a good health not only depends on the exercise. Apart from that, it also should be comes from the good resources of the food. For example, a protein can get from the source of the food. For myself, I'm practicing a very healthy diet intake of the day. For example, for my breakfast, usually I will take 2 toasts with a black coffee. For my lunch, I will take a portion of the meal which consists of the fiber, protein, carbs, and a bit of fat. And for my dinner, usually I will take the oats. Apart from that, I also will have 2 times where I'm taking the snacks, and usually it will consist of fruits and nuts. So fruit and nuts, it will be very helpful for our digestion. To maintain a good health, I'm doing half an hour of exercise twice a week. And during the weekends, I will go for the hiking, cycling, and sometimes I do play badminton. And I'm also going for the yoga classes once in a month. Apart from that, I also taking some good vitamins to myself. And it's really helping to keep myself healthy, and that's all from me. Thank you.
Hope you guys enjoy the video. That's all from me. Bye.